use math every day to predict weather, to tell time, to handle money. Math is more than formulas and equations. It's logic.
Hello there. This is the first of a series of 3 math videos designed to help the grown-ups of Mrs. Buchanan's class be more familiar and comfortable with the ways we teach math in 2nd grade. A great way to learn is by doing. Even as adults, we say that we like to learn hands-on, and this is true of children as well. We can understand math much better by having things to hold and count and move around. Educators call these math manipulatives. So one thing you can do to help your child at home is to give them things besides their fingers to move around and count with. Things such as pennies, paper clips, even Cheerios work really well. After they have used the items long enough for that child, every child is different in how long they need them. But after they've used them long enough, they'll learn to solve their problems in more efficient ways. Or they'll be so familiar with number that they'll get so that they can do the problems in their heads. Now that is an exciting thing to see. A huge part of 2nd grade curriculum is really understanding place value. And the math manipulative that helps us most with that in class is called place value blocks. Please look down here. Here they are. You can see that they're precisely made so that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones is made to be exactly 1 stick of 10. Okay? And 10 tens is made to be exactly the size of 1 square of 100. And we can even go so far as 10 100s, trust me on this one, are exactly the size of 1 1000. That's as big as our blocks go, though sometimes in class we talk about what 10,000 would look like, or 100,000, or 1,000,000. And by the way, if any of you parents out there want to build me a model of any of those, I would love it. Please let me know. After we use manipulatives and solve problems with these place value blocks for a while, we learn that we can write down solutions for our problems by drawing blocks on our paper. A dot for every 1, a stick for every 10, and a square for each 100. Sometimes the kids even call this method sticks and dots. So, if we have an addition problem like 94 plus 17, we can solve it like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here, we're going to make that another 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 111. That's how we'd write it down. Likewise, we can subtract. Let's take 63, take away 28. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to go ahead and use a different color to take away 10, 20. Oops, I can't take away 8 from that. So I have to trade this 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take away 2, 4, 6, 8. Take those away. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. My answer is 35. All right. Now look me in the eye when I tell you this next part. Even though that method takes quite a bit longer than the standard algorithm that I talked about in the introductory video, Why Do I Teach Math This Way? Even though it takes longer, it makes the kids use their hands as well as their minds to really understand and to show in a very visual way what is happening to the numbers. That is so good for their brains. And they need months and months, maybe even years of practice with that before they really think like a mathematician. Thanks. Please watch the second video, or the next video rather, to learn another way we solve problems in 2nd grade.